Chiropractic, your max living doctor. Many people think of chiropractic as neck pain or back pain or headaches or some type of a relief for the spine or a back problem. Really what we try to focus on is the brain and the nervous system. Your spine actually has three areas. You have your brainstem, you have the spinal cord, and you have the nerve roots. And every one of these areas of your nervous system can have no interference and no pressure. The most common area of pressure and the worst area you can have interfered with is actually the brainstem. The brainstem is right at the top of the neck at the base of the skull. Now, when you have a problem with the brainstem itself, this affects your autonomic nervous system. And the number one symptom in America right now is fatigue. People are tired, people are overworked, people don't have the mental clarity they want to, they're constantly exhausted. And most people turn to some type of medication, some type of stimulant, or they just deal with the problem. Very few people are actually getting to the cause and being able to remove the interference so the body can heal itself. So I want to show you exactly what causes that fatigue in your body. It's pressure on the brainstem. So if you look right here, the very top bone of your spine, the C1, this actually sits right below the brainstem. If you have a subluxation, a misalignment, a lack of function of that one bone of your spine at the top of the neck, that's going to affect the blood supply to the head. It directly affects the function of the brain and the pituitary gland, which controls the majority of the chemicals in your body. It affects your inner middle ear, your sinuses, and your entire sympathetic nervous system, which is what regulates normal function in your body. And you can see here the list of things that are affected by just a little bit of interference in that top bone of the spine. Things like headaches, migraines, sinus problems, asthma, hyperactivity, insomnia, high blood pressure, fainting, chronic fatigue, and tiredness. So many people I see coming in, they're overworked, they're overtired, they're overstressed. And we check them, and what we find, the cause of their problem is an interference, a pressure, a subluxation of that C1, the top part of the spine, affecting the brainstem, causing the body to work 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5 times harder than it has to, robbing the brain of the energy that it needs, not allowing the brain to detox, repair, regenerate, and directly interfering with normal health and function in the body. So if you're a person that's tired all the time, you're not sleeping very well, you don't have enough energy to be able to attack all areas of your life the way you want to, ask yourself, have I had my spine checked by a corrective care chiropractor? How is my C1 doing? How's the brainstem, the spinal cord, and the nerves doing? That's the first place you want to look. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure you click on the link below. Check out our website, newlifechiropractic.rocklin.com. Look at some of our other videos about how we're helping correct these issues naturally without medications from the inside out.